Hello, all. Good evening. Am I audible to you all? Can I get a response from you? Yeah, thank you. So, today is Saturday, right? It's an Ask Me Anything session, AMA session. So, if you have any doubts of the whole week, whichever the topics we have discussed, we'll discuss the doubts now. I need everyone to be present. Only 15 has joined in the session. Where are the rest all people? Yes, Srikanth, you are not getting the recorded videos. I'll tell my team to upload the recorded videos. Okay. Then why didn't you attend the class regularly? And one more thing, I have shared every notebook to you all in a Telegram group. Please check with that and practice with the things. Okay. Explore it properly. I think the notebooks are in great detail. Please go through it and understand things. Play with those notebooks. Acha, okay, Shrikant. So, okay. So, that's okay, fine. You all might have received the notebooks. Can you please all give me a confirmation regarding that? Did you all check those notebooks? Whichever the things we have discussed every day. I need some confirmation from you guys. Yes, no, something. So you all are clear with every concept. First question. Any regard any concept. In the coming days, we are going to discuss in more about the leftover concept, and also you're going to see a small project like how to machine learning model and how to deploy that. Later, after completion of that, you yourself are going to build your project by choosing the title. That, I think you all might know the process while doing that and all. That's not an issue. But see, these are up till now, whatever the things we have discussed as very much important, as they are the basics to build a machine learning model. So the foundation should be very strong, right? I hope everyone is clear with everything. If not, ask me. I'm going to clear you now, whatever the doubt you are having. And please, once more, I'm reminding you all, check with the notebooks, understand the things, explore in deeper more, so that you will get more knowledge. Try with doing different data sets and all. So anyone of you having any questions regarding any concept? Let's discuss now. Shall I ask questions? Why the people have any doubts? I want all you to fill the feedback form. I have shared it in the comment Q&A section. Once it is done, please post a message saying it is done. I'm sharing it once more again. Whoever has joined the... Yeah, I'm sharing it once more. Please, all of you, fill the feedback form. Did you all receive the feedback form? No. I have shared it. Shrikant, you didn't get the feedback form? I've shared it in the Q&A section. Wait for a minute. I'll share it in the chat box also. Rest all people, you all got it? What about others? Okay. Please fill it, everyone. I need everyone to fill the form. Yeah, dear Abhishek, like just now I have shared it, right? When did you fill the form? Okay. If you have completed doing that, that's fine. What about others? Okay, if it is done, please post a message saying it is completed so that I can know how many of you has done or not or not. Okay, now let's get back. So coming to the doubts, like, do you have any doubts regarding any concept? Are you all exploring the things, doing practice? Yes, no, something, whether you are doing it or not. I hope everyone has gone through the data pre-processing steps. I need response from everyone. What all steps do we have in this data pre-processing? That if not, I'll share you the link. No, ma'am, please show once how to search the data sets. In that way, also, I'll show you how to search and all. Not only Kaggle, we have different types of websites. One data set and start working on that so that it makes you practice whatever the concept we have discussed. eh, Let's say, like today, we have discussed on logistic regression classification. So take a data set, choose the one which is very small. Like in the beginning stage, we need to make baby steps. Correct? what about the things whichever we have discussed about classification and regression and the algorithms in that? Is that clear for everyone? Bias, variance. You need to have a good clarity on these concepts because while working on the data sets, if bias and variance, overfitting, underfitting, these are all very important concepts. Like tr- if these things are not so proper, like if these things are not correct, the model training, the trained model will not perform properly. At last, the outcome should be like the model accuracy should be high, right? It means it should work proper. Whatever the test data we will be giving to the model, it should predict properly, right? So understand the algorithms properly. Which algorithm is working, how, everything. After building the model, also there will be some evaluation matrices to evaluate how this model is working according to classification problem or regression algorithms. That will be discussing, and some of the things have discussed already. I think notebooks regarding that will be sharing in after the completion of teaching them. But prior to that, we have gone through all the dry content, right? So no doubts for anyone with any concept. Everyone is clear with everything. After this classes, you are going to have project sessions. There you by yourself should do project. Every single student have to choose one project and work on that project. If you complete that only, you are going to get the completion certificate. I hope you all know this, but once I'm reminding you all. So please concentrate whichever the things are going on every day in the class. I think your class might be on Monday again. So be ready for the class. Revise the concepts properly. No, Abhishek, the project is an individual student project where every individual student have to choose one project and build that project. It's not a group project. Is that clear? And the enrollment in the project is also discussed in the starting of this program. I think once more we'll be guiding you through the process. No issues with that. But after the teaching content is done, you have to work on project. And that project is going to get evaluated how well you have did that and how well your model's accuracy is working and all. So please be careful. That is we are going to discuss. I think this after this week you all will be starting doing projects. First there will be a project orientation, how what all projects do we have, an explanation overview. After that you will be start building the project. That should be done by yourself only. No one is like we'll be guiding you if you are facing any issues, no issues with that, but you are the one who need to complete that. I hope it is clear for everyone regarding the project. So if you do the project only, you will get hands-on experience. In the same way, after this, you can build a number of projects with different types of data sets, or else you can explore more deep. After machine learning, we have deep learning. Deep learning is for images, like it is for classification of images. Next, after deep learning, you can go with generative AI, which is very much booming right now. So to get into this generative AI, machine learning, deep learning, NLP are the foundations, because without this machine learning, deep learning, generative AI has not evolved. These are the foundations for generative AI. Clear? So please, everyone, listen to the class properly, understand the things, complete the projects. I hope everyone has filled the feedback form. If not, please fill the feedback form. I'm going to share it once more again. Check with that and fill the feedback form. Oh my god, Ashwini, you are going to create your own data sets? It's okay, no issues. You can download it from Kaggle. Download it from Kaggle and start working on that. Clear, Ashwini? Start working in the sense like whatever the concept we have discussed now, if you work on a different data set, what ID and pass? I didn't get you, Adarsh. Okay, in to get into the skill wallet, okay, you have not enrolled into the skill wallet. Who all? Yes. So why it is not opening? It is opening, dear. Javed, it is opening. The Google form is opening. Yeah, login into the website by making forgot password. Already you're telling that like you have enrolled it, right? So click on that forgot password and change your password and log in into the skill wallet. Ja, is that open? Like you got the Google form? Can you please confirm me whether you're getting it or not? I think not. I think like the next classes, whichever are going to happen, are very much important. There you are going to see how an ML model will be built, how to deploy that, and we are going to discuss in detail more about the algorithms and all. So please everyone try to attend the class regularly. Okay. Yes, Ashwini, we are going to give you a list of projects. So in that from that project list you need, I think 4 projects are there. So 4 or more. So that projects list you need to choose one and work on that project. Is that clear? It is great to hear that you are working on the movie recommendation system. That's a good project. Yeah, thank you. Welcome, Ashwini. Ashwani. Any more doubts for anyone? Still, if you are facing with any issues, get it to me. Will get resolved. That we are going to tell you about that, Abhishek Singh. Like this about that. How many projects? The list will be given to you. In from that you need to choose. And coming to the lecture recordings that we'll be sharing in the group, I'll tell my team to share it. No issues with that. It is clear? No, dear, there will be a timeline mostly. So within the timeline, you need to submit your project. So you need to manage the things, both your interim examinations and this project. Deadline is like it's in the schedule. Oh no, this is not the last class of Hama session. Next week also, every Saturday you are going to have the Sama session where you can clarify your doubts. About the project deadlines and all, that is going to be discussed mostly next week. How many days the project is going to be and what from right now. Until then, keep watching the classes. I think I have clarified your doubt. For project, we are going to have separate, I mean, separate classes. Building a project, if you have any doubt, because and deadline for that is going to be next week. Clear?